Manually converting a massive digital asset register into thousands of physical printed tags is a true logistical nightmare. With the right workflow, you can bypass the manual data entry and transform a raw spreadsheet into hundreds of ISO-compliant QR codes in a few clicks. To start, you need an open Excel workbook containing your asset list and the BIM Pat Gen add-in installed on your top ribbon. Automating this extraction process completely removes human error from the labeling phase. This ensures the data you pull up on the physical job site exactly matches your master digital model. On your Excel ribbon, navigate to the BIM Pat Gen tab and open the registration portal. For your initial setup, fill out the required identity fields, specifically your full name, email, and job title. Once submitted, the system will send an activation code to your address. Check your spam folder if you do not see it arrive immediately. Enter your activation code to gain full system access. A welcome prompt will verify your account is active. This secure registration step links the physical tags you generate directly to you as the authenticated user managing the digital handover. Next, open the sizing control window to begin building a custom tag profile. Here, you define the physical spatial parameters. Assign a recognizable profile name, set the exact millimeter size you need, and choose your base QR version. The next step is setting the error correction level, or ECC. This is the mathematical redundancy built into the image that allows a scanner to read a tag even if it gets partially destroyed or scratched. Choosing a low ECC setting for equipment heading to a harsh physical location will inevitably result in unreadable tags later on. By selecting a demanding physical location from the environment dropdown, like a high temp or furnace area, you should pair it with the maximum redundancy ECC setting of 30%. Properly matching more ECC level to the physical environment guarantees your tags survive in the real world, avoiding costly manual retagging operations down the line. Save your completed profile, close the window, and hit Generate. The add-in instantly populates the respective columns in your spreadsheet with unique QR code images, links, and standard barcodes for every single row. With the spreadsheet populated, click Export to begin extracting these embedded graphics into standalone files. Always select a high-quality raster format, like PNG, to ensure the final printed codes have crisp, easily scannable edges. Make sure to explicitly designate a specific destination folder. You do not want to lose hundreds of newly generated images somewhere on your hard drive. Open your destination folder to verify the extraction. You will see a complete grid of image files, each automatically named with its sequential UMIT ID number. This bulk extraction cleanly separates your visual deliverables from the raw spreadsheet data, giving you a packaged folder ready for handoff to printing vendors. You now possess a complete, localized directory of high-resolution tags that are perfectly calibrated for your specific site conditions. The final step is sending this prepared directory directly to a physical label printer. The printer translates your digital files into durable, physical labels in a matter of seconds, ready for immediate industrial deployment. Mastering this automated workflow definitively bridges the gap between your digital data models and tangible facility management. Think VDC solve the scalability problem by bringing professional automation directly into the tools engineers already use. You can download the BIM Pat Gen tool for free today and start building the bridge between your digital data and your physical assets.